So we're day 3 right now. Today we're going to solve two questions, and the first one is number 18, for sum. As you know, we did the threesome and a threesome with target several days before, and this is basically taking another number A, B, C, and D. Previously in threesome we only have A, B, and C, and we want A, B, C, D sum up to target. And I'm not sure what's the best way to do this, but the way I did it is to modify the threesome to, like, since we cannot use 3 pointers, which is like not very possible, so we use 2 loops and 2 pointers, which will reduce the time complexity to n cube. I think it's decent, so let's get started. So firstly, we need to sort the nums as usual. From the lowest to the largest, and then we're going to start our loop here. And then inside here, we need to do the 2-pointer method. Nums I Yeah, maybe we can call it 2-sum. Well, actually, this sum is better called target, since we want to compare the last two, whether it equals to the target, which is different than this target, which is the target of the last two numbers. So if that's the case, we find a valid one. So we list nums p1 psi j, and we reduce. Oh, we increment this, decrement that. So if the sum of P1 and P2, num of P1 and P2 is greater than sum, which is our expected value, we want to make 2-sum smaller. Else, I think it's very intuitive after doing the 3-sum. And after this, we still need to do the case where we cannot contain duplicates. So previously we dealt with that here and here, but now we still need to add one here, since we can consider the case where 1 1 1 something like that, and I is here, j is here, and j is here. We want to skip 2. We don't want to duplicate j, so if j is not equal to I plus 1, we cannot use 0 anymore. and if j equals j minus 1, we continue. And here we need to do maybe after that, well, p1 less than p2 and nums p1 equals to p1 plus 1, p1 plus plus, to skip the duplicate p1. Similarly, p2 equals nums p2 minus 1, and we don't want to duplicate p2. So this, we don't need the I always, confused about the parentheses and parentheses, which we don't need to do the parentheses for arrays. We need to do that for strings. Let's see. 1 0. Forgot to add this to our ants. Sorry about that. All right. So this is for this for some.